Hi! Today I'm going to share with you how to make book page flowers that could be used on a wreath like this. Let's get started! I'm going to start by covering the wreath form with this floral ribbon that I have. I could do the whole wreath as book page flowers, and that would look really lovely, but I want to do kind of a mixture of textures. So I am going to go ahead and go around and cover the wreath form with this ribbon first, and then I will make some book page flowers and put them on my wreath. Now that I have my wreath covered with the floral ribbon, I'm going to start making some book page roses that I can add to the wreath. I think I might do a cluster of roses and go with that. So I'll make maybe 4 more. We'll go from there. To make the roses, I'm using the half pages from the book base that I made, and I am just kind of cutting a squiggly circle shape, and then once I get to the end of my squiggly shape, I'm going to go in kind of like so, like a spiral. I'm just kind of cutting squiggly lines as I spiral in until I come to a circle. I am going to go ahead and cut off this top part so that I have something similar to this. Then I'm going to take what I just cut and I'm going to take the outer part. I'm just going to start rolling it in on itself so that the end kind of comes to a point, and I'll just keep rolling until I reach the center of the spiral. Then, while holding it kind of to the base, which is that circle on the end, I just kind of loosen it up a little bit and form it how I want it to be. And then once I get it how I want it to be, I take a hot glue gun, and on that bottom circle I just add some glue, and then I press my formed flower onto that glue spot, and I have a little book page rose. So I've made 5 little roses, and now I'm just going to play around and glue on my roses onto the wreath. Actually, I think I might just do 3. And then I grabbed this piece of greenery from a Dollar Tree greenery that I have. I think I'm going to glue that down first. And then I'll have my roses. And I think that is how I will leave this wreath. Here is my completed wreath. I think it looks really cute. You could definitely do a full wreath of roses, and I've seen those on Pinterest and they look really great. But like I said, I kind of wanted different textures, so I wanted the ribbon and then some greenery and then my paper flowers. And then I got to thinking that these also would be pretty if you grab a stick from outside and attach it to that. And then you could use it like on a tier tray. So here I have this stick, and I am going to go ahead and put 2 roses on it. And then that could just be another decorative piece that I could use like on a tier tray or some other dough bowl or decoration I want to use it for. I took the stick that I glued the rosettes onto and stuck it in this cute bottle I got from the thrift store with some flowers. And I just think that's a cute little spring decoration piece you could do too. So there you go. You can use book page flowers and stick them on sticks, and you can use them in a vase. You can add them to a wreath. There are endless possibilities you could do with book page flowers. Let me know in the comments down below how you would use book page flowers, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.